Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? Shahriyar Mustafiz here with yet another speed art video. It's my first time using Clip Studio. Clip Studio Paint. It's a illustration program. One of you graciously have gifted it to me on Instagram. Thank you. It's awesome that you guys are reaching out and suggesting that I try new programs. Now, as you guys can see, if you've been living underneath a rock, last week for some reason out of nowhere, people just started redrawing the original Sailor Moon character in their style. She has this shocked look on her face, and I don't know why. I just decided to hop on the hype train, and just do my own iteration. Now, as you guys know, one of my phobias when it comes to drawing anatomy is drawing women. And I'm not really particularly good at it, and so I decided to do a sketch. And if you guys follow me on Twitter, you can go back through the thread and just see how much I struggled with trying to draw Usagi's face. Usagi is the name of the main character of the Sailor Moon magical girl genre. Now, needless to say, I know nothing about Sailor Moon despite having watched hours of it with my cousins. Needless to say, my cousins were girls at the time, and it was the early 2000s. So I guess that's when I kind of was introduced to anime. And if you guys know me at all, I'm a total weeb, so probably posting more characters. And if you guys have any ideas of what character I should draw next, leave a comment below. I'm always looking forward to what you want me to do. Now, back to my phobia of drawing women. I don't know why and where it came from. I like to draw guys, but I guess maybe I don't want to just draw women in general, which is why this was my first foray into not only seeing Clip Paint Studio, but also using drawing women. And so I'm using my Huion Q220SM dial tablet, and this is my first time using the default brushes within CSP. And you know, it was fun, honestly. I had a blast coloring. I just love how the program seems to mix together Photoshop and then the awesome line tools of Autodesk Sketchbook. It just feels like it took every single great thing and just mashed it into one program. Needless to say, I took a long break, and for some reason, if you look into the right corner, this video sped up quite a lot, and we're actually half an hour into doing this sketch. Originally, I was just going to post this rough sketch, and then I thought, why the heck not? Might as well just paint and keep painting. Now, last week I uploaded a video of me painting within Photoshop, and then this week I'm using CSP, and I feel like CSP is a little bit more of a friendlier program when it comes to, I know it looks daunting, but I've set it up so it mirrors my workflow that I was already used to in Photoshop. And Photoshop is just familiar. I've been just using it for so long, so I'm really excited to use Clip Paint Studio. It does animation, it does illustration. It's like a well-known program over in Japan and over the pond, and a lot of illustrators use it. So I'm kind of looking forward to using it as well. So I'm gonna quiet down a little bit, let you guys enjoy the rest of the time lapse. I've been straining my voice lately, and probably gonna be uploading more videos. Before I go, I just want you guys to leave a comment below, leave a rating if you want, and then I just want to hear from you guys what characters or what videos do you want to see from my channel. I know I've been focusing more on art lately, but that's kind of like my given situation right now. I just really enjoy art and just doing things in general. I'll probably bring back the 3D printing videos and such, and probably do a better breakdown of my effects and my post-processing ideas and everything like that. Or if you want, I can do a basics tutorial where an amateur artist like me will just go on an art journey and just try to learn the fundamentals all the way from the ground up, and I want you guys to be there with me. Needless to say, just leave a comment below. I'm gonna be here. I tend to look through every single video you guys, every single comment you guys leave. It means a lot to me. And without further ado, if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.